Whoa. Okay, so I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm gonna do a video about that probably like real soon. If not the next video, then a few videos to come. But for today, we're going to focus on this look. So if you want to see how I got this rosy pink eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. I did my lashes and my foundation off camera, so I only showed you guys my eyes and how I did my lip combo, whatever, because I plan on doing a foundation routine. It hasn't really changed, but we'll do an updated one just to do one. And I always struggle putting lashes on camera, so I wasn't even about to embarrass myself like that. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Go ahead and like this video because you're gonna like it, I promise. And subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.